Hello everyone and welcome back to ClickFunnels. My name is Manu and from today onward I'm just going to start tutorials on the Groovefunnels. It is a kind of affiliate marketing program as well as not only affiliate marketing program, but it has a lot of things. Okay, so I will go ahead and uh, get you I'll explain each and everything about the Groovefunnels, that what actually it is and how it works and how you can able to use it for your particular website building or funnel building or any other kind of resources. All right, so we are on the computer screen right now. Let me go ahead and first of all open the Groovefunnel on the dashboard over here. This is my Groovefunnels dashboard in front of you. I already have the premium membership with the Groovefunnels. So this is how it looks like. Like the Groovefunnel is still in the beta version and it is offering lots of things. Okay, there are lots of another applications in the market previous to the Groovefunnel, like Katra or there are ClickFunnels are there. Okay, who offers you the same kind of benefits, okay, that what Groovefunnel is trying to give us. But why Groovefunnel is better than those? That Groovefunnel is somewhere advanced from them, because they are launched couple of year back, and from them Groovefunnel is trying to implement the new things, and in the very less amount Groovefunnel is giving a lot of things right now. Okay, whatever the things we can able to do in the Groovefunnels, I will go ahead and show you each and everything one by one. Okay, so what I will do, I will go ahead and I'll not make the big long videos. Okay, I'll try to make a 10 to 12 minute of video for each section. Okay, and after I'll go ahead and make it in the series, so that you will able to go ahead and watch my videos one after another. Okay, so first of all, let me go ahead and tell you that what actually the Groovefunnel is. Okay, Groovefunnel is a SaaS software. Now, what is SaaS software? SaaS software is something that it does not have any application which you need to install in your system, but it work on the server. Okay, so whatever the services are providing by the Groovefunnels, it will be on the server already. Okay, or only. Okay, you will not able to you need not to go ahead and download the Groovefunnels applications in the system, like some other applications like WordPress or anything else. You will get each and everything on your on the server. You just need a user ID and the password to log into the Groovefunnels, and then you will be all done. You are ready to get started with this stuff. Okay, so here if you can see on the Groovefunnels, there are quick links are given right now. One is for the Groove pages and Groovefunnels, the Groove Sell, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Videos, Groove Blog, Groove Cart. Okay, so these are the few of those features in the Groovefunnels which we need to use, or we will going to use, okay, to like scale our business. Okay, so as we know, if we are getting into any business, if we are getting into any startup, okay, the very first thing which is needed to go ahead and start our business is a website. Okay, for any kind of startup, as we know, like whenever you go ahead and get a domain register for yourself, then you need to build your website. So there are lots of different softwares, okay, offering the free subscriptions to go ahead and get your website done with them. Okay, like I have used the Elementor, I have used the WordPress. Okay, nowadays each and every hosting service providers are also providing the website building applications as well, but they have the limitations. Okay, now the things which you will going to learn under the Groove funnels or Groove pages, okay, you will not going this kind of benefits or this kind of features in any other like website building software. I have used WordPress, I have used Elementor. Okay, I have used GoDaddy's website builder, I have used Hostingus website builder, and so many others. But the things which I'm getting inside the Groovefunnels, okay, I did not get those features and the benefits on any of those particular website. But in the Groovefunnels, if you are going ahead and signing up for the lifetime free account as well, I'm telling you, the lifetime free account, okay, you don't have to provide your credit card details, you don't have to provide your any kind of payment information. This will be the lifetime free account for you, and you will able to create 3 complete websites for you for free with fully functionality. Like, you will get each and every resources to build your website, you will get the premium templates, you will get the premium themes to go ahead and design your website according to you, whatever you want to go ahead and start up with your business. Okay. So here I'm going to share a link to this video's description. I want you guys to please go ahead and click on that link and check that what benefits you are going to get with the Groovefunnels. Okay. We have the founder, Mr. Mike Filsam. Okay, I want you to please go ahead and see their videos, and they have what their plan for the future. He is explaining each and everything in details. Okay, and I will be here to go ahead and explain each and every things like the Groove pages, Groovefunnels, how to build your website, each and everything one by one. So first of all, I want you guys to please go ahead and check, click on the link given in the description, and please check for yourself that what actually the Groovefunnel is and how it will going to change your life. And from the next video, I will be go ahead and start the tutorial of website building. We will go ahead and learn the entire platform, that how it works. Okay, let me show you a little bit of that particular how it looks, the website builder over there. So whenever we enter to the Groovefunnels dashboard, okay, we have to just click on this particular option which says Groove pages or Groovefunnel. Okay, when we click over here, then it will go ahead and open a new particular area, the dashboard. Here you can see these are the couple of my website and the funnels which I have built for myself. What we have to do in order to go ahead and create a new website for ourselves, that we need to click on new site over here. Okay, when we click on the new site, you can see there are so many, the lots of pre-designs templates, or the website are already given over there. Okay, like it has all the things in that. You have to simply select your niche, that what niche you have, on what particular segment you want to work, what is your industry, and you can select your industry's theme from here. Like if you let's say that you have a kind of financial, or you just want to lead generation, you can see over here all the tags are mentioned over there, that what kind of website you need. Okay, so at the top to the left hand side, you can see over there it has mentioned over there that what kind of website you want to create. Is it for the single page website? Like, you will get all the features mentioned on one page. You just have to scroll down your websites, and you will get all the things mentioned over there only. Or you want to build a complete website over here, so you will get the navigation bar to the top of the website, where you can able to click on the home button, about us, or contact us, or some other things, or the pricing, whatever you want to mention over there. Apart from this, the funnels are the important things. Okay, the funnels are the things which we use to promote our product, okay, or which we use to product our any kind of affiliate links or the affiliate products. If you are trying to promoting someone else product, you can create the funnels. You can show the benefits on that particular page. This is a 1 page or 2 page or multiple page funnel. There are, it depends that what kind of funnels you are building. Okay, if you are trying to create a webinar funnel, okay, like you want yourself to introduce under a webinar, like you want to give invitations to clients or to your customers to attend your webinar, so there is a webinar funnel as well. And the my templates options are there. Like, let's see, that if you are creating something on the website builder and you think that this could be going to be helpful for me for my another project or for my another website, so you will get an option to save that template as your template, okay, so that whenever you want it you can able to get it for your next project. Like this, you can see that I have saved my privacy policy template or about us template over here, that I liked it, that I can use it for my other projects as well. So let's go with the complete website. I'm just going to choose one of them. Like you can see that if you have a food freak, okay, you want to create a website for the vegan food delivery system, or you want natural remedies subscription box, or anything else, like you have some brand agencies or whatever you want, okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going to take a look with the brand agency website. I'm going to select this, so it will going to ask a name. It is not something that you need to put your website's name only over there. You can put any name over there, just to make sure that you need to keep a difference between your all other projects. So I'm just going to give a name to here, that test project, or if you have any website you can put the website name as well, there will be no any problem, and click on start building. As soon as you will click on the start building, it will take like maybe 10-15 seconds and it will open a new dashboard in front of you. And now here you see that it's opening a new dashboard for you. So it has this entire website in front of you. Do you see this? The entire website is created already. You don't have to like go ahead and search for the templates. You don't have to search for the pictures, okay. If you have your own pictures, you can put your own pictures over there, or if you don't have pictures, they have their own stock pictures library. You can get the pictures from there and you can use those pictures. So this is how the things are going. Like now if you want to do any kind of changes over there, you can see to the right hand side all the options are coming over there, that what kind of changes you can make over there. And if you go to the left hand side, there is option for the pages, that all the pages are there. Like you can see the home, about us, portfolio, contact us, case study. These are all the navigation options. The pages are given over there. If you can go ahead and click on the about us page, you can see the about us page is coming in front of you, and it is all pre-designed. You don't have to do anything. If you want to give your design, if you want to change something in that, you can do for sure. But if you don't want, okay, you can use this particular theme as it is for your website. You just have to mention your copywritings over there, okay. And don't worry, I will go ahead and help you out with the copyrighty things, that from where you will able to get the contents to put on your website. So that is it for this particular video, okay. I hope that you like this video, share this video, and subscribe so that you will get all the video notification from the next time onward. I'm just going to end up here only, and we will go ahead and see the entire tutorial of this website building in my next video. So till then, see you soon. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.